nice with my body so flow resting under these lights. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I will be doing this look. And I do have a new palette. So if you guys want to see what new palette I have and how I achieve this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. So as you guys can see, I already went in and did this side, and then I'm going to go ahead and start on this side. I don't think I'm going to be doing my full face. I'm just going to go ahead and strictly just think about the eye. The base that I am using today and the base that I always use for all my eye looks is the plouise in the shade Rumour 2. So I'm taking this beige cosmetics brush, and this one's in the number B7. I always like to pull my eyebrow up. I don't know, I just feel like it gets in there really good. But whenever you do apply like your base and the concealer, it's really oily, it's really shiny, and with the sponge it does take off all the oil, so that way your eyeshadow won't look so clumpy. So the palette that we're going to use today is one of my newest palettes, and I'm so excited about it. It has like a lot of different shades and a lot of tones that I do use. This one, the 35M palette. So the first color I will be taking is this one, and this one's in the shade Nude 2. I like to pick up my eye as well, just to get in that crease really, really good. I like to pat first. I've always said this on all my videos. I really like patting first because that gives you like the most pigmentation, and then you can just go back and blend.
My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
So now I will be cutting my crease, and then I'm using the same base.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
And the same thing, I'll go back in with the sponge and then just take off any oil that I do have. That way I can go ahead and apply that eyeshadow really smoothly. I'll be taking this black shade and I'll be applying it at the very, very end. I do like to take the smaller detail brush to get really up in there. Then I will be applying this green shade in the middle. And then I will be applying that black shade in my inner corner as well.
I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute.
This palette is really, really good. It's just that it does have a little bit of fallout. Just the only thing. My liner I will be using for the top of my crease, and then for my eyeliner, it's gonna be this one, the mineral eyeshadow from lasplash Cosmetics, and this one's in the shade Gold Foil.
It gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
On to the next step, I will be applying these lashes, and these are in the Bride's Revenge from Lasplash. Okay, so while I let my lashes dry up a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and do my face off camera, and then I'll be right back to finish my eyes.
I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we are in pixels on a screen.
Okay, last but not least, I am going to do my under eye, and I'll just be taking the black. I'm just strictly applying it right under my lower lash.
My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend,
hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this video wasn't that long, but I strictly just stuck to my eyes today. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to before you guys leave this video and hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.
Honey, I'm a